Man, freaking gorgeous. All right, guys, I reckon we're at the shop. See what's going on up here. My great buddy right here. Look at his awesome truck. Freaking sick, dude. Look at those rims. I gotta get me one of these. Hey there, buddy. What you doing, man? Look at this stuff. Dude, it seems like every time I come in here, there's just more and more cars and everything in here. More cool stuff. Look at that 426 Hemi. What's the plans on this orange one, man? Should be fun.
426 stroker kit, fully forged, pro charger. In fact, we're actually going to be building an engine on this probably next week.
It's gonna be freaking awesome. We gotta come film that. We gotta film that.
Oh yeah. Alright, so here we go. We got
What?
Your park shelf here. This is Ben's 440 motor right here.
Oh, heck
Minus the
yeah.
block.
Got all the good stuff?
All the good stuff.
All the good
Only
stuff.
best.
All right, guys, we're gonna, can we unbox it?
Yeah.
Holy crap, we're gonna unbox this crap today, guys.
Go through all the parts and do the inspection, make sure everything's there, make sure everything's good.
Oh man, we're gonna have some eye candy today, man. Yeah. Look at his freaking engine room. It's the cleanest thing I've ever seen. He's got green, purple, and blue, black. Oh my god, pretty cool. It's like this is a Mopar masterpiece going on in here. What we got in here? It's gonna be pretty. It's like a cylinder head. Is that the new 440? That's the 440 source head.
440 source.
Oh man.
Well, they wrap these pretty good.
They do. There you go. Oh man. Freaking gorgeous. Look at those valves, guys. Freaking awesome.
Too bad we're not going to be using any of these springs though.
Yeah.
Brand new springs. We're upgrading them right off the bat.
Yep. Gotta upgrade. Gotta have the big lift, y'all. I can't have a small lift in this thing. I'm a cam slut. Good Lord, y'all, this thing's freaking heavy. There it is, right there. Watch crank. Jesus Christ. Need to get this thing on the table.
Yeah.
We're like, you just can't beat 440 Source. I mean, I demand sponsorship from you, 440 Source. Like, look at y'all's heads. Y'all did such a good job on these things. Like, legit. Like, they look freaking awesome. Yes, man. They're freaking awesome.
Nice chunk of aluminum right there.
Yeah, guys, that's how you spend $1,000 on aluminum right there. That's how you do it. Cheapest heads you can get. I mean, I recommend if you're building like a 440 big block, these are the heads to get. I mean, you can make really good horsepower. What is it, like 550 with a stroker kit?
Yeah.
It's freaking
600 all day long.
Freaking awesome.
Oh boy, Christmas in this box.
It's just a bunch of Christmas. Everything, y'all. Yeah. There's the cam. Should be a pretty fun build.
Oh. Well, phone ring. you know, you're gonna want to get it fixed ASAP if you're planning on keeping the truck or, you know, keeping that. Lenses when you do those. Keep them coming.
It just keeps coming out. What the heck? It just keeps coming out. Oh, guys, I recommend Mike here. I mean, he has been a huge help for me and my car stuff. Like, if y'all need anything done to, like, engine rebuilding in any ways, like, he's really good at it. Really good at it. Hit him up at ERS. Oh, man. You can tell they look good in there. You can tell they look good in there. Gives it the stroke, huh?
Yeah, well, that'll
the
give
crank.
it power to. You're able to run a lot of boost on this, well, a lot of nitrous at least on this motor. Fully forged.
Holy crap.
Look at them suckers. Yep, 440 source, already balanced,
That's
ready
a
to go.
behemoth. That thing is big. Lightning, I think it took 5 pounds off this thing. Lightning crank. That's the lightning crank.
Yeah.
Thing's still. That's gonna be a beast in there.
There it is.
Nicely packed them, y'all.
Oh yeah, there they are.
Look at these things, y'all. Oh man, I can't wait till we start on this one. This one's gonna be insane. Oh, y'all just wait. Well, that's it, guys. I mean, if you like what you see, just like and subscribe. Turn the notification bell on. Have a nice day.